I'm Mark Nemberger with BBC Industries, and today we're going to show you how to assemble a Black Flash Series heater. Whether you're assembling a BF1 all the way to the BF5 series, they all assemble the same way. All you'll need to do this will be a drill driver and 2 1/2-inch wrenches. You'll start out by removing the components in the boxes. Your Black Flash should come in 2 boxes, a stand box and a heater box. Inside your stand box you will have the support tube that will have 3 screws in it that need to be removed first. The next step will be assembling the legs to the support pole. This by aligning the slot in the leg to the slot in the pole and attaching the 3 screws that you removed previously. Do not tighten any of the screws throughout this process. Once you have those 3 attached to the support pole, then you'll need to attach the other 2 legs to the pole using the bolts provided in the kit. Once again, do not tighten any of these nuts and bolts at this time. Once you have the nuts and bolts all in place, then you can begin tightening all the nuts and bolts up using the 2 1/2-inch wrenches. Now that you have all the nuts and bolts tightened, you will want to tighten the 3 screws that attach the leg assembly to the support pole using the drill driver. Now your support pole is attached to the legs. Now you can put the casters on the bottom just by screwing them into the grommets that were provided inside the leg. Now that the stand is assembled, the next thing you want to do is assemble your heater. To begin assembling your flash heater, the first thing you would want to do is take your black handle with the black bolt provided in your kit and place it into the center hole on the bracket. The bolt coming from the bottom, the handle on top. Once you have that fastened to the bracket, you'll want to align the 6 holes on the back of your flash unit to the 6 holes in the bracket. provided with 6 metal screws that will drive into those 6 holes. The hole in the flash unit is much smaller than the screw, and that is okay. Next, you will take your silver inner pole, your collar, and your bent bolt handle. Place the bent bolt handle into the threaded hole in the collar. Then place the collar onto the silver pole and just tighten it anywhere onto the pole. Once you've done that, slide the inner pole into the support pole on your stand. Taking your flash unit, slide it onto the silver bracket, aligning the 2 screws holes in the back of the bracket with the 2 screw holes in the front of the silver plate. You will be provided with 3 handles, 2 that have a silver collar and 1 does not. Taking the one with the silver collar, thread it into the 2 holes in the back of the bracket, attaching the bracket to the silver plate. Do not tighten them at this time. Take the last handle that does not have the silver collar in it, and you will screw it into the gold grommet inside the bracket. This is used to level your flash heater to your platen by screwing it down. Once you get it leveled to your platen, you will tighten the back screws, and that will hold everything in place. Then you can take the bent bolt handle and loosen it and adjust the height of your heater to the height you want off of your platen. That concludes the assembly of a black flash heater made by BBC Industries. Thank you.